Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga kaji! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyo lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the Green Girl, Kitty Patuti Iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome na naman po sa ating fifth day. Siyempre, yung topic po natin for the past 5 days is about the yung lima lang naman kasi 5 days tayo, di ba? Simple rules for amazing health. So meron tayong mga na-discuss na po for the past 5 days, 4 days, and this is the fifth day. So mga suggestion lang naman ito because of course dito po sa ating buhay, our life here in we are all exposed to different types of culture, tradition, and around us we have different kinds of uh, economical structures, and of course social and family. So we all have different kinds of practices. Kaya po I just wanna have like suggestions kung ano po yung bagay sa atin. Okay, so first we have already discussed number one is do not put toxic things into your body. And then number two is lift things and move around. And pumapasok po yung exercises. Number three is sleep like a baby. And po requirement po ng ating katawan ay matutulog talaga. At you can also check the previous lectures or the previous premieres, the previous contents. So you will be able to finish the whole thing. And next is number four. Yesterday we discussed about avoid excess stress. Avoid excess stress po. Yun ang ating topic kahapon. And today, we're gonna be discussing the fifth and the final part of this topic. But before that, may I ask for your thumbs up? Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm, for more updated contents. Ayan po. At sana po ay naka-all bell po kayo sa aking channel so you will be able to really be updated kung ano po yung mga topics natin. Of course, ating mga lives and mga events dito po sa aking channel, Master Worm, and syempre sa Bahay Kulitan. Thank you so much sa inyong love and support. Of course, number 5 is nourish your body with real food. Yan po, tandaan po natin yung mga masters and mga kaji, real food pong pinag-uusapan natin dito. So pag sinabi natin real food, pagkain na totoo, hindi po siya self or man-made or processed. Okay, so the simplest and the most effective way to eat healthy is to focus on real foods. Question, sa inyo dyan ang kumakain o nakakaalam? Who among you there knows what a real food is or what real foods are? Okay, so pag sinabi natin real foods, syempre, number one is edible, number two is safe, number three is hindi po siya gawa-gawa ng tao. So, nature-made po siya. And of course, mga ingredients na ginamit dyan, in case naman po na linuluto po yan, is yung mga ingredients na edible at safe sa ating health, and they're produced or they are harvested. Yung mga kumbaga, makukuha po siya. It can be taken out from nature. Okay? So choose unprocessed whole foods that resemble what they looked like in nature. So halimbawa po ng real food na hawak ko po ngayon is of course apple. Ayan po, apple, di ba? Papakain natin ito kay G, yung apple. Because apple is considered a real food and a real fruit. Siyempre, hindi ito siya fake. Kasi apple na apple po ito. So what we're gonna do with this apple is of course, i-cut po natin yung apple at susubuan natin si G if she likes to eat apple today. I don't know if she feels like eating apple right now. So ika-cut natin yung apple. And I just have to be careful not to give her the middle or the seeds because the seed contains cyanide. As you know, I don't know if you know. So may cyanide pala po yung apple. Okay? So make sure also mga masters, it's best to eat a combination of animals and plants. Animals and plants daw yung combination mga masters. So hindi lang po tayo, suggestion lang naman po ito, pero syempre alam naman natin po na we have different kinds of cultures, we have different kinds of practices. So meron dyan vegetarian, meron po dyan mga gusto lang po is protein, meron iba't ibang mga practices. So ngayon po ay magbibigay po tayo ng apple kay G. Siyempre, isasama natin ang balat. For now, ibibigay natin yung ano muna, yung ito po. There we go. G is eating her apple. See? And G really likes apple, mga masters and mga ka-G. She likes apples. So now she saw the whole apple. But you can't eat the whole apple. I think G is hungry. So we're gonna put here the apple here. Gustong gusto po ng G natin yung apple eh. Ayun o. Gutom na gutom pala ang ating G, mga master. So, she's very hungry right now. Right? So, real food ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Real food. And G is eating real food right now because that's apple. Okay? So, ayusin ko lang po ito. Kasi nahuhulog po yung aking pasensya na. Alright, so I think G is very hungry right now. So all we have to do is just give her her apple. Okay, so it's best to eat the combination of animal and plants. Yun ang sabi po dito. Like meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits. So iba't iba po yung ating, ito na lang natin ito natin ilalagay na lang sa ano para makikita natin, di ba? Ito na lang natin ilagay sa harapan ng G natin. Malinis naman po ito. Yan, G likes apples. Alright, so pwede ding meat, fish, eggs, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds, as well as healthy fats. Like sa fish po nakikita at sa mga seeds. Yan, mga masters. Diba? So, kailangan lang talaga natin ay magiging hindi lang tayo magfo-focus sa isang food group. Kailangan natin is variety. Tinatawag dyan is variety of foods. So, kung makikita niyo po, God made different kinds of fruits, vegetables, because each mga creation niya has their own specific characteristics, vitamins, minerals. So, hindi lang po siya gumawa ng isang prutas o isang pagkain na yun ang dapat na kakainin natin. So, we have varieties. Diba? Yeah, so, love na love talaga ni Jing apple. I gave her watermelon yesterday, but I didn't take a video of that anymore. Okay? So, ang mga high-fat dairy products is also good. So, mga if you're healthy, lean, and active, eating whole, unrefined carbs is absolutely fine. These include potatoes. Siyempre, ang ating recommend po is sweet potatoes and not white potatoes. Okay? And then, meron din po tayong legumes and whole grains such as oats. Yung oats po, mga masters, pwede yun mga oats, ha? Okay? So, however, if you're overweight, pag overweight naman po kayo, obese, or have shown signs of metabolic issues like diabetes and metabolic syndrome, then cutting back on major carbohydrate sources can lead to dramatic improvements. So, pag meron na po kayo mga health problems, existing problems like diabetes, at saka yung mga heart problems, kailangan na, or obesity, kailangan na po natin mag-cut back ng mga carbohydrates rich food. So dapat yung kakainin natin is more leaner, yung mga healthier na mga pagkain, di ba? So people can often lose a lot of weight simply by cutting back on carbohydrates because they subconsciously start eating less. Di ba? Pag may mag-start eating less na po. Pag mag-cut back po tayo sa carbohydrates. Tandaan po natin yung mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay? Always remember that if you eat, if you eat more of the mga unhealthy na mga pagkain, mas madami pa yung ating kakainin because we can have a lot of cravings. Okay? Hindi natin dyan yung pagkain ni G. Alright, whatever you do, make an effort to choose whole, unprocessed foods instead of foods that look like they are made in the factory. So try to always go for healthy. Okay? So ano po yung mga made in the factory? Halimbawa, mga cereals, 'di ba? Mga mabibili nating mga sinasabi nilang healthy siya, pero na ano na puro cornflakes na, or 'di ba? Or candy in the form of juice na or candy. And so they already passed through different kinds of processes, and some of them they use ingredients that they tell you or they tell us that they are safe or they're healthy, pero hindi pala, because they use different kinds of sugar, like artificial sweeteners. Like they tell you that it's healthy, 0 calories, pero kailangan din natin ng calories, mga masters. In summary, choosing whole and processed foods such as fruits, vegetables, seeds, and whole grains is very important for our health. Okay, kailangan po natin yan, di ba? Mga masters and mga ka-G. Okay, you need to stick with it for life. It's important to keep in mind that dieting mindset is a bad idea because it's almost never works in the long term. So try your best na hindi po wag po mag-diet or follow a certain strict diet. Okay, for this reason, it's critical to aim for a lifestyle change. That's why I'm always inviting you to please join me sa ating mga lectures, because I am doing a lot of lifestyle tips. Okay? So being healthy is a marathon, not a sprint. Mahaba-haba po yan. Hindi po yan shortcut. There's no running fast here. It's just that you have to have your own pacing, and you have to know when is the best time and what are the best ones to consume. It takes time and you need to stick with it for life. It's a choice po, hindi po siya dapat pampakitang tao lang. Anyways, thank you so much mga masters and mga G for your love and support. And for now, this is it. Thank you so much, and we'll have new lectures, new topic for tomorrow. This is G, the green girly cutie patootie iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!